I'm Darielle Snipes with the CMSD News Bureau. Welcome to CMSD 360, a look at news happening around the district for the week of May 15th. On this Sunday evening, there will be a red carpet event at the Capitol Theater for the premiere of Cleveland School of the Arts' Say His Name. The film, based on a play co-written by students and the theater director, Dr. Scott Miller, goes beyond the headlines of policing and gun violence in Black America to show the impact of a shooting on individuals and the community. Students first performed this play in December to a limited audience due to the pandemic. The show begins at 6 p.m. with a panel discussion after the premiere. Don't forget to sign up for the CMSD Summer Learning Experience. It is back for a second year. Registration is open for students in preschool through 12th grade. To participate, students must be enrolled in the district or pre-registered to enroll. The free program will be held at more than 30 school sites throughout the city. Meals and transportation are included. The Summer Learning Experience gives students a chance to finish the year strong, participate in fun projects or activities. It begins on June 27th and lasts for 5 weeks for children in preschool through 8th grade and 4 weeks for high school students. To learn more and to register now, go to clevelandmetroschools.org. On Tuesday, a Verizon Innovation Learning Lab at Wade Park Pre-K through 8 Academy will open. This is video of the grand opening of the Verizon Innovation Learning Lab at Elmira Pre-K through 8 school last week. The lab will be a state-of-the-art space with endless opportunities for students. This is part of Verizon's digital inclusion strategy and will offer 3D printers and more. The celebration at Wade Park will be from 4 to 6 p.m. The same day, the Senate baseball playoffs will take place. For times, locations, and teams going head-to-head, go to clevelandmetroschools.org/Senate League. It might be hard to believe, but the school year is coming to an end. Starting the week of May 23rd, pre-K through 8 schools will be holding end-of-the-year celebrations. To see when your child's school is holding a kindergarten or 8th grade promotion, as well as school award ceremonies, head to clevelandmetroschools.org. On Thursday, the Friends of Max S. Hayes High School are hosting a trades show at the school from 9:30 to 11. Students in the 12th grade will demonstrate what they've learned this year through career tech project-based opportunities. Video presentations from students currently working for industry partners will also be shared as part of the program. Also on Thursday, students should head to Instagram for a virtual fair for summer work opportunities. Organizations will be posting Insta stories describing the great opportunities they are offering this summer. Some of the community partners include Student Tech Corps and HIT and CLE. So be sure to check out Instagram on May 19th to learn more about some amazing internships and jobs. This fair is part of PACE, which stands for Planning and Career Exploration. It is an initiative to support and develop career vision and planning for students, beginning in the 6th grade. Well, CMSD is hiring. There will be a job fair on Friday from 9 to 4 at the East Professional Center. The district has openings for bus drivers, school secretaries, substitute teachers, cooks, and more. To see a full list and apply for a job, go to clevelandmetroschools.org/hiring. Stay connected with what's going on in the district by downloading the CMSD app or following CMSD on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Well, thanks for watching CMSD 360. Have a great and productive week.